Hi everybody. Okay, vocabulary first. Okay, 여러분이 잘 아는 거 similar. 이건 similar는 이게 similar인 거 like의 뜻이에요. 비슷하다. 그 다음에 simulate. 이건 simulation 여러분이 무슨 시험할 때 비행 시험할 때 simulation 텔레비 simulation 그 바로 simulate 동사입니다. 여러분이 이제 웹 브라우저라고 이제 브라우저. 이 브라우저는 이렇게 막 이렇게 돌아다닐 때는 shopping around, or, walking around, that kind of browser라고 그래요. 그래서 이거는 비슷한 말은 survey. survey는 비유한다는 뜻이에요. survey. 그 다음에 per use. 이건 어원은 틀린데 use는 여러분이 알기 사용한다. per use는 through. 그냥 잘 알아서 쓴다는 거야. 철저히 알아서 쓴다는 거. per use. Okay, we're gonna do a real example for kinematic equation. Okay, ball is thrown 37 degree, initial speed 20 meter per second. What is the maximum height? Time in the air, how far? Velocity at the time of maximum height, acceleration, and the landing time velocity. So we're gonna figure it out. Throwing 20 meter per second. 37 degrees, so Vx is 20 times cosine 37, so I figured it out. V0x is 16, y direction is 20 times the sine 37, that is 12. So we're gonna do what is the maximum height. So maximum height is this, right? Maximum height is this. So we have to use y formula. Y distance, Sy is V0t minus G2 square, but problem is we know the V0y, but we know the G, we know the G, that we cannot figure out time. So we're going to use Vy equal V0y minus GT, right? At the time of height, Vy is 0. Vy is 0. We'll just stop it right there. You're not familiar with this. One video ago I teach you already this. So Vy is 0. V0y is 20 times sine 37. So G is, I think roughly is 10 times t, we don't know. So once you figure it out, t is 1.2 seconds. So 1.2 seconds you will reach the height, maximum height. Then so we're looking for the y direction of this height. So now we know the time. So we're gonna plug in there. Sy is 20 times sine 37 times t is 1.2 minus half. G is roughly 10. T square right there 1.2 second. Calculation is 7.2 meter. Second thing is time in the air. Okay, time in the air, maximum at the time of this. So we figured it out already. You reach 1.2 seconds, you reach the maximum. So the other part is another 1.2 seconds. So 1.2 times 2 is 2.4 seconds. At the time you will landing in the landing. Or you can do this way. As we're going to use a distance formula, right? Distance, y distance, make sure this is a y distance formula. Y distance, that means this, y distance. At the time of hitting the land, s is 0, height is 0, right? So sy is 0. Then v0 is 20 times sine 37 is this one is this, at the time is there, minus half gt, like this. T square. So 이건 2차 방정식. So secondary equation. So I figured it out. This one t is 0 or 1205. There's a 2 seconds. So we have a same equivalent times. Third one is how far. 이게 how far니까 이만큼 가서 how far. 이게 how far. 얼마큼 가냐는 how far. So we're going to use x formula, x direction. So we're going to use v0t plus half at square. So ball doesn't have any engine, so acceleration is 0, so this term is gone. So simply this. So V0 times t, V0 is V0 cosine 37 time in the air, how long it takes. We already figured 2.4 seconds. So this value is 16, 2.4 seconds times is 38.4 meter. Fourth question is velocity at the time of maximum height. 이 꼭대기에 있었을 적에 그때 velocity를 구해야 되는 거예요. 근데 as you know, y direction of velocity is 0. Yes, 0. Only Vx. Vx is V0 plus AT. So acceleration is 0. Boat doesn't have any engine, so acceleration is 0. So V0 is V0 cosine 37. So V0 is 16. As far as you know, I think you remember, Vx is x direction of a velocity, all the same. You are not sure? One video ago, I already explained this. Okay, then 5. Acceleration in the maximum height. Yes, maximum height. This is y is 0. Only gravitation is 9.8. So acceleration is 9.8. Okay. 6. Landing time velocity. At the landing time, right there, impact right there, landing time, we have a two element or two component of speed. Vx is always 16. Vy, we have to figure it out. Vy is V0 minus half gt squared. So V0x, V0y direction is V0 37 right there. Sine 37 minus half. G is roughly 10. T is 2.4 second. 여기서 공중에 이렇게 올라갔다 여기까지 걸리는 시간은 2.4 second. At the time of landing, take 2.4 second. So once you figure out 16.8, so Vy is minus 16.8. That means down the hill. Make sure minus, I already explained several times. Vx is 16. So we're looking for this. So this one is the same as this right there. We're going to do Pythagorean theorem. So 16 square plus minus 16.8 square root is 23.2 meter per second. Okay? Okay, I hope everybody understand this one. Okay, I do my best to explain. You are not sure, just a little bit doing by yourself. Okay? Thank you.